About to put the slave cylinder on my buddy's Civic. We're getting this shit going. Threadeth of the holdeth. Oh shit. Lost my hat. For Gucci. Get up in there. Come on, you little bastard. It's like a shit ball. Hooker duke. We'll get her out one of these days. Good.
Did you get it tight all the way? All the way tight?
Yeah.
See if I can do this without dumping it everywhere.
Dumpling. Oh shit. Crusty.
How's that fluid level look?
It hasn't started going down yet.
About now. Alright, the pedal's actually starting to build a little pressure already.
I have the bleeder valve cracked open.
Alright.
That's how I did it last time. It worked pretty good. So.
You want to close it for a second and then I'll pump the crap out of it and see if we can help get it to shoot through the lines better. And then it'll like bubble up in the slave and come out easier that way usually.
Let's try it this way for a little bit.
How's the fluid level looking?
Alright.
Got the new slave cylinder on. About to change the oil on this bad boy.
Changing the oil. Gotta get this filter off. Okay, there we go. Pan up under there. Probably gonna go all over me. We're about to find out. Oh, well, hell yeah. All right, I guess a lot of it came out already. There's the filter. Commence new filter. Take 560 fucking 7. Come on, you son of a bitch.
Sounds like fucking geese.
Yeah, it does.
I think 3.5 quarts going there. Not much at all.
About to fill this oil up. Check the mini trip.
Drinking vodka down the hatch.
Blah, 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 blah. Guzzle up, boy.
That's what good sounds like. That's 2. Almost 3.
How much did it say? Like 3.7 or something?
3.5. About it. It's pretty close. I'll check here.
We'll let her sit a minute and check it again.
Well, we haven't even checked it yet.
Blah, 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 blah. Guzzle up, boy.
That's what good pussy sounds like.
What we looking like?
That's 2. Almost 3.
How much does it say? Like 3.7 or something?
3.5. About it. It's pretty close. I'll check it. We'll let her sit a minute and check it again.
Oh, we haven't even checked it yet.
We'll check it here in a minute. Shit, I just spilled some oil on your timing cutter. I fixed it up. Shoot.
Get in there and start that puppy up. Start that bad boy up.
Start this piece of shit up. Alright. Make sure ain't nothing gonna fall down into the foot.
Hell yeah.
Alright, I usually have it in neutral.
Hell yeah, brother. I hope this ain't hurting your eyes or making it hard for you to drive. We about to rip this shit. Twickle the wiggle.